In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix upload blocked error in OneDrive. If you're seeing upload blocked when trying to sync files, the quickest and most reliable fix is to reset OneDrive's connection to your computer. We'll do that by opening OneDrive, heading into Settings, and unlinking the PC. This doesn't delete your files, it simply refreshes the connection that handles syncing. Start by going to the bottom right of your Windows desktop in the taskbar area near the clock. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the cloud, click it to open the OneDrive menu. From that menu, select the gear icon to open Settings. You'll see a small drop-down. Choose Settings from there to open the full OneDrive settings window. Taking this route ensures you're adjusting the desktop app, not the web version. Inside the OneDrive settings window, switch to the Account section. This is where your current connection to the PC is managed. Here, click Unlink this PC. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm by selecting Unlink Account. That's the action that resets the local connection and often clears the upload blocked message. After you confirm, OneDrive will stop syncing on this device. Your existing files in your OneDrive folder on the computer remain where they are, and your files in the cloud stay intact. You might notice the cloud icon change or see a prompt to sign in again later. That's expected. This reset is safe and is a standard way to resolve stubborn permissions or token issues that can trigger blocked uploads. Before you start this process, it's a good idea to make sure any critical changes in your local OneDrive folder are saved. If a file shows as not fully synced, note that unsynced edits remain on your computer and can be resynced after the connection is refreshed. A stable internet connection also helps the fix take effect smoothly. Once the account is unlinked, the upload blocked state should be cleared when you reconnect. When you do reconnect, choosing the same OneDrive folder on your PC will help you avoid duplicates and keep your existing structure intact. That's it. By opening the OneDrive icon, going into Settings, selecting the Account section, and confirming Unlink this PC, you've performed a clean reset that resolves most upload blocked errors with minimal disruption. If you follow these steps carefully, your files remain safe and syncing should resume normally once OneDrive reconnects.